This is an avocado, and this is a podcast. That makes this an avocado podcast.
You are now listening to The Young God, a podcast for the gods. Hello and welcome to the Young God Musical Showcase. I'm Rodney and this is where I curate music from my long gone days as a musician. Between 2009 and 2012, I was a rapper, singer, songwriter, beatmaker, you name it, who went by the name Dirty Sexy Rodney. Dirty Sexy for short. These bonus episodes are a way for me to share a special part of my history with you guys, and every song is available on SoundCloud via the link in the description. It's been weeks since the last musical bonus episode, so I've decided to make this one a special one by not just playing one song, but curating different verses from several songs. These are, in my opinion, some of the most fire verses I have ever spit, and I've compiled them to show how versatile I was as a musician. And also, my mindset as a young man. I was the silliest dude, having the time of my life. And these verses are the proof. Pay attention, you don't want to miss anything. Here we go. So the first song is a cover of Meek Mill's 2011 hit, I'm a Boss. You may or may not be familiar. It's been 10 years since the song first came out, and it was one of those songs that made him the star he is today. Listen to me go to such great lengths to prove that I'm also a boss.
Dirty Sexy, we still in the building. I'm a B-O-S-S, so I can't care less what you niggas think, cause I ball like the bestest. You're a pest like lice in your mama head net. I be fucking bitches in the caliber of Janet Jackson. I gotta stay laced in the freshest fashion. My Gucci got class, I don't need no extra lesson. I'm fucking unpredictable, so I keep you niggas guessing. I am God's gift, I'm a motherfucking blessing. Bitches on my BB, sending me their CV. She says she want a show, so I fuck her on my TV. I put it in her mouth like a motherfucking CD. I'm sorry if my rhymes ain't PG-13. I'm flirting with greatness, I'm the opposite of fakeness. I tell you suck my balls cause your life is full of gayness. My rhyme is so heinous, it's evil, it's genius, it's lethal. Ain't nobody equal, I'm once in a lifetime, there will be no sequel. I'm so paid, I got Bruce Wayne money. My pocket's so crazy, I got insane money. Your money old, I got Lil Wayne money. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I plan the shots.
This next song is an original beat made by yours truly. It's called I Do. And one of the things I did on this track was talk absolute shit. It even involved someone's mother. I can't remember if it was aimed at someone or not, but damn, I was savage in this one. Listen.
Yeah. Talk to me niggas, what's really going on? I got you on a speakerphone talking to your mom. Tell her, why you gotta be so bitter? You add me on Facebook, you follow me on Twitter. You follow all my tweets and my status to the letter. Your mama taught you better, she crying on my shoulder, messing up my sweater, that cost $150. Damn, you better handle business, you better get in line, cause I be skating on your ass in the summertime. You ain't got no money, hammer time, your pocket's looking dry. Hammer time, I'm a dance bomber, call me your honor. Hustle is in my blood, I'm a blood donor. Hotter than a summer, you ain't on my level. Beat it like a drummer, I got swag man. I am so fly, jet lag man. I'm on my new shit, price tag man. Money pulling my pants down, sag man. Nigga suck my balls,
you're a fag man.
I'm in college, fucking with the knowledge. Putting all my skills together, mix them in the porridge. I'm young and I'm black like storage. The Chelsea player, killing these hoes, I'm a bitch slayer. I run this town like a fucking mayor. Put your hand in the air, wave them like you just don't care. Say bye to the haters, they're standing over there. I'm the shit, you better check your underwear. I do it, motherfucker. Dirty Sexy. BCC for free.
This next song is another Meek Mill classic, House Party. Came out in 2012, I believe. In fact, this was the song that put Meek Mill on the map. Me and my boys just had to jump on it. Listen to my idea of what the ideal college house party would look like. Straight out of a music video, yo. Let's hear what that sounds like.
House party, we blow them balls. It's Young Cheesy and I'm a mom.
Welcome to my house, I party like a boss. If you ain't invited, nigga, that's your loss. Ain't my fault that you ain't cool. Bad bitches in the back in my swimming pool. Have fun, act dumb, nigga, act a fool. Cheesy got the liquor, Spy got the kush up. Mr. Neil got bad bitches on the hookup. Dialing bitches on his iPhone, giving them directions to my home. 18 and above, I like my bitches grown. And the neighbors tryna hate cause I didn't let them know there ain't nothing they can do. I already paid the popo. Got the lime and I mixed it with the SoCo. Grey Goose got them girls going loco. Ain't got a girl so I fly solo. Heading up the stairs, girl, follow.
Are you following? Are you following? I used to say that my wordplay is foreplay. And I think it's because I used to say stupid shit like this that babe from the Confidence episode said I was so full of myself. I had zero chill, and this next song confirms it. It's an original song called Obnoxious, featuring my friend Young Spy. And what I love most about this verse is my subdued flow. I think I was so cool and calm with it. And yet, cocky nonetheless. Please take a listen.
I'm cocky, and I think I'm the shit. No time to be friendly, I'm obnoxious as a bitch.
Obnoxious as a bitch.
Obnoxious as a bitch. No time to be friendly, I'm obnoxious as a bitch.
The battleground's open, hot blood soaking. Game over, motherfucker, you out of tokens. Got you standing on your toes, Mike Jack. Got you missing free throws, like Shaq. I love to tell jokes, make you feel cozy, but I'ma cut you off if you start acting nosy. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Dollars, money, can't keep it from me. I took a lot of shit like BCs. Got my hair all wavy, seasick. I make the clock tick, I make the world spin. I'm the reason all of y'all are breathing. I'm allergic to bitch niggas, that's why I'm sneezing. Your rep decreasing, I'm flossing and bossing. You cussing at me, you hating on me. Nigga, you better recognize the real G, dirty sexy.
Allow me a moment to appreciate our sponsor, 8689 Food. They produce amazing artisanal granola, homemade and beautifully packaged. They come in 4 yummy flavors: Reasonable, Coconuts About You, Choconola, and Nutty by Nature, all of which I've sampled and I highly recommend. They are sugar-free and go great with yogurt, cereal, or on their own. Do support them by visiting their IG page at 8689 Food. That's the word 80 followed by the number 6 and the word 80 followed by the number 9. One word. Tell them Rodney sent you for a discount. This song is called Bonafide Baller, another original beat made by yours truly, and just as the title describes, it's a song just about flexing and just talking all kinds of stupid shit. I actually wrote the hook that my guy Young C performs before and after the verse, and nothing will prepare you for how I start the verse. Nothing. Guys, I said I'm a stupid person. I'm so stupid. And if you've been following the musical showcase, you will get it. If this is your first time, you're not ready at all. Vintage Dirty Sexy. Listen.
I do what I wanna, I said it so I'm gonna do it real things, I'm a bonafide baller. Shit, shower, shave, hoes up in my cave. I pull my dick out and I whip it like a slave. What you know about dirty, what you know about spy, those are bonafide ballers. And so am I, what you know about dirty, what you know about spy, those are bonafide ballers. And so am I.
Suck my balls, suck it like you mean it. They call me dirty sexy, but you know I gotta clean it. Young C Spider, You ain't never seen it, a wish come true. Ladies call me Genie. You will never see me like any meanie. We're sitting on top like a head and a beanie. I'm rich as a bitch, well not really, but sooner or later I'll be sitting on a milli. Look at my niggas, fresh as fuck, walking that walk, talking that talk. Bitch, we do it big, do it in bulk. We gonna get that green, you can call me the Hulk. Damn it, I'm a baller, I'm a shot caller. Pocket getting bigger, problems getting smaller. You ain't got shit, nigga get involved. Your girlfriend appalled, so I call her Paula.
Did you hear that last bar? Did you hear? Hold on, let me recite it one more time for those of you in the back. Damn it, I'm a baller. I'm a shot caller. Pocket getting bigger, problems getting smaller. You ain't got shit. You only getting bald. Your girlfriend is appalled, so I call her Paula. Oh my God. Bars. Bars on. Who hurt me, first of all? Who offended me? Because that sounded like a very personal attack on someone. It was too specific. See, as I said, Dirty Sexy was savage for days. And this next song, this final song for this episode, this bonus special, Sexy As, I'm loving it so far. I hope you are too. This last song is a cover of Lil Wayne's 2009 song called Single. And as you can see, I am still single. And my guys and I made this song announcing to the entire campus that we were in fact single. I think I had come out of a relationship at the time, so I wanted the campus baddies to know. And so we did a song. And guys, this song is special for many reasons. One of them being I don't rap in this one. I actually sing. And not just any kind of singing. I unleashed my inner T-Pain for this one. Fully auto-tuned to perfection. Number 2 is I dropped my actual phone number at the time on the song so that interested babes could actually call me. Like we were serious about this. Like my actual phone number in South Africa. I put it on the track. I sang it. Guys, just wait till I get into the song. And they actually called, though. They actually called back. The song was a successful marketing campaign. Crazy times back in the day, what me and my friends got up to. And just a heads up, my signature Suck My Balls comes up when you least expect it. I can't wait for you guys to hear this one. It's one of my most fun verses and songs I've ever spit on, so let's go.
Hit me up 07873488174 if you wanna. I'm single.
Suck my balls, baby. I am horny and I need myself a fucking lady. I wanna take you to bed, turn your pussy red, pop you with my lead. Yeah, that's what I said. Did I stutter? Shit, I'm thirsty. Get me water. I'd love to do it again if you don't mind. Don't front. Good dick is hard to find. I gotta get mine. I don't care about you, you'll be just fine. I'm done trying to be a nice guy. I'm done this for me. Fuck you and your feelings. I'm heartless, I'm horny, my dick is heavy. Get your pussy ready, baby. I ain't crazy, you is acting lazy. You should pay me, cause I got your pussy rainy. I'm insane, so she gave me good brain. My dick is Prada Main, and your pussy Mary Jane. If you feel pain, we can try again. 079-249-2360. I can be your hero. I'm a big dick Negro who can make your body sing, but only if you're single. If you're single, are you single? You must be single. I like you single. I'm ready for your body, ready to get on it. I'm gonna make you come like a waterfall, only if you're single. If you're single, yeah. If you're single, hit me up, girl. If you're single, phone me up, girl. If you're single, let me know, girl. If you, oh, it's morning. Suck my bones, yeah. Hey, I'm single.
And there you have it. We've come to the end of this very special bonus episode of The Young God. I hope you enjoyed my music. All the songs are available on SoundCloud. The links are in the description. Thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. And as you guys know, this is not something that I promote on my Instagram pages or anywhere else. This is for those of you who are core fans of the show. Anytime you come on here and you see any of these bonus episodes, they're for you guys. Like, it's my way of saying thank you for listening and just giving you guys an extra part of me that no one else is aware of. So I can't wait for the next bonus episode. It's likely going to be next month, something around Valentine's Day, because I have songs that capture that whole romantic feel and just, guys, I can't wait for you guys to hear it. Just stay with me. Do follow on IG at The Young God Pod, on Twitter at I Am The Young God. Subscribe, follow, tell a friend, and I'll see you guys next time. Rodney out. Or rather, Dirty Sexy Rodney out.